everyone, it's Nancy Wethington with you today, showing you my latest album from exclusive to the Button Farm. It's called Beautiful Moments, and I've done something a little bit different on this one. I first of all have combined two different companies. I combined Prima's paper, which is called In the Moment, with 49 & Market's Peach collection. I just don't know why I did it, except I thought the peach would go beautiful with the browns and the darker colors of the Prima paper. And I've also done something a little bit different with the cover. The cover has a see-through frame on the cover. So I just wanted to give you a little walkthrough of how the book is done, decorated, and we can go from there. So this is my spine, and this is where obviously I got the title from, Beautiful Moments. This is Prima paper. And then on the cover, I combined Prima with 49 & Market's Peach. This is a frame and a little scroll work on the top of the frame. The frame you will need to paint with, I used a bronze color paint, and I love the sheen to it. It's just an acrylic paint, and I just put it on with a sponge brush, and you will have to do both sides, and you'll see why in a minute. And then the dark brown of the filigree work is just done with a dark brown ink pad. It's just Tim Holtz Distress ink. Then I've added 49 & Market braid, which is from their laser cut images, 49 & Market flowers, Prima flowers, and we'll go to the inside. So here's the inside of the frame, and this is why you have to paint it. You're going to see a part of the inside, a part of the underneath side of the frame on the inside of the front cover. And then on the first page, you will have pop-up butterflies and a birdhouse, and that's what shows through on the front cover. So you get a lot of dimension on this cover. And you can kind of see as I turn the book the sheen of that frame. The other thing I did a little bit differently in this book, normally when I add these pages, this is just a fin page. And this whole book is a build from scratch book using the method I've been using in the last 3 or 4 of my books with Button Farm. But because I wanted the first page to lay flat so the images would pop through the frame, I put these in what most people would consider backwards. Of course, it's your book, so you can do whatever you want. But this one, to lay the first page flat against the front cover, I put the fins on the opposite side. Normally, I would put the fin on the front and give some dimension between the front cover and the first page. I did not do that on this. The fin goes to the back, towards the back side. So then we move on to this page, and as you can see, I've combined the two collections, used some 49 & Market rub-on transfers. This is all included in your book. 49 & Market butterflies throughout. And on the butterflies, what I do with them is paste down or adhere the center of the butterfly and then pop up the wings. So you will always get a little bit of dimension with the pop-ups. And then some 49 & Market leaves and some 49 & Market ephemera. And of course you have room, because there's a ½ inch in between each page, you have room to add more photos if you want. And then page 3 is a top flip. Room for photos, room for photo. Cute little pocket on the bottom with some 49 & Market ephemera added. And then a little card. And then 2 photo mats. And these photo mats will get inserted into the pocket, and that's what actually closes the top flip. So we'll move on to the next page. And on this page, I've added one of those sliders. So this slides up. I show you how to do this slider in the directions. And then this is a trifold. So 3 photos and 3 photos. And then this hooks in, slides down, and I have put some ephemera on this little card that covers the slider closure. This paper is really beautiful images from Prima. Sorry. This next page is a side pocket and a top pocket page. So create 3 pockets. The top pocket of this goes all the way down to the bottom, and then this goes down to the bottom. And then out of beautiful images again, an insert for photos. On this page, I call this a gatefold closure. I don't know what the real name is, if there is a real name, but you can see here I've added a Prima flowers, little type flowers, and then 49 in Market window with some of their leaves. And we'll have to to open this page, we'll have to take these 2 out and open this. And we have this really beautiful image from 49 in Market, and I've used their rub-on transfers on top of that and use this as a tuck behind. So I'm going to take one of the decorated photo mats and put that here, but you'll see on each side of these pockets, they're open at the top and sides, glued at the bottom. That's what the closure is of this. So it's a little tricky to get these in exactly the right spot. Well, see, missed that one. Let me try this again, because I know it works. But if you slide this in just so, and behind those little pockets I showed you on either side of this gatefold, it slips into those pockets and it closes the pockets up. Then we have another slider. This is a pretty image from Prima. I don't know what to call it in the directions. I think I called it a terrarium just because I didn't really know what this was. Open this up. And you have a pocket here. So I took the other half of the doily, the 49 in Market doily, stuck it in here. You can put other things in there, of course, but created a pop-up on this page. So I'm going to hold this up so you can kind of see the mechanism. Now, of course, I would think you would put a picture here. I didn't. I just put a card here just as a sample, and of course you can do that too, and added a Prima flower and some images from 49 in Market. And then this will close. And I will have a video for you of how easy it is to do the pop-up. Then the next page, I've added, I think this is, I want to say laser cut, but I think this is a 49 in Market ephemera piece from their kit. And I've done some rub-on transfers, 49 in Market rub-on transfers, and then added 2 more photo mats with beautiful little detailed 49 in Market butterflies. And then 2 cards, you can use them either as bookmarks or you can even make them fatter if you wanted to. I just thought they were cute to just do some writing and journaling on. Then the next page, I've used this frame again, tore some paper, and just did a tuck behind. Again, This is open, so you can put a photo. Then I've done, sorry, I guess it's out of camera. Then I've done a belly band, and I've used some pop-ups underneath the bottom one because I always like, if I'm putting something in a belly band, I like to stop it at the bottom so it doesn't fall through my book when the book is standing. 49 in Market paper. Look at that butterfly. That's a rub-on. Their transfers, if you've not ever used their transfers, they are some of the best I've ever used. I've said I've been doing this for 35 years, and I've never used better transfers than theirs. And believe me, I think I've tried them all. And then some ephemera to just decorate the page a little bit where the belly bands meet. Then the next page, I created, take all these goodies out, I've created a pocket. Use some 49 and Market ephemera. Doubled up on this butterfly to pop them up a little bit. Used a Prima lantern as pulls. And so this page alone will hold 6 photos. Then for journaling, I've just taken a scrap piece of paper, cut it down, added this adorable card. I'm telling you, look at the 49 in Market. This is teeny. And it's so cute. And this little perfect bow. You really can't beat their laser cuts. You know, a lot of laser cuts, when you have them cut, there's white around the edges. You get none of that in 49 in Market. It is precision cut. Look. Precision. Okay, then the last page prior to the cover is a simple tuck behind. I've used, whoops, sorry, almost dropped it. I've used 49 in Market rub-ons at the top and the bottom, and then a 49 in Market laser cut flower with leaves. Again, 49 in Market with a butterfly, a tuck behind, and we're into the inside back cover. This is 49 in Market paper. I've covered the inside of the back cover, and then I'll show you in the directions how to create this envelope. It's a top opening envelope. Lots of dimension to this. It's 1/4 inch dimension. Prima birdhouse. Prima, oh no, 49 in Market, sorry. Laser cut tulips and leaves. And look at, again, those leaves. You don't see any white around those leaves except for the paper underneath. Beautiful. Okay, this is a tuck behind for the side opening of the envelope. And then I have 3 tags on the inside that I've made to insert into the envelope. So you can use these for journaling, or you can put smaller photos on here. All of them have pull tags, and those get inserted in. And then the back cover with 49 in Market paper. So I just wanted to show this to you. Hope you like it. And then what I've done, I had papers left over. And by the way, this is the lay flat binding that you've seen me create. So that's why all these pages are so nice and flat when you open them up. There's none of that, oh wait, I can't open this page that much to see it. They lay so nice and flat. Plenty of room in between, so you can still put lots of things in. And I had papers left over, papers and journaling spots and ephemera left over from this kit that you can use to make more photo mats for this if you want. Or I decided to add a bonus to this kit and show you how I made 6 cards, 6 different greeting cards out of the papers that were left over. So you can do one or the other or both. This is jam-packed with product and ideas. So I hope you like it. Thank